and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna show you how we install our CCTV camera we bought on Lazada. So if you want to know more about that, please keep on watching. Hi guys! So finally, I'm gonna teach you how we install the CCTV camera. So first thing to do is we need to plug in the socket and then hold it at least 30 seconds to reset. Here are the reset button. While setting up your camera, download the Yossi app in Apple Store or Play Store. This app is free and both available in iOS and Android phone. So open the app and click the plus sign to start connecting the mobile phone. Next is click the QR code not working. Enter your Wi-Fi password. For your information guys, this camera needs internet connections, okay? And after entering your password, next thing to do is scan the QR code on the camera. Wait for the bell sound or doo-doo sounds. When you hear the doo-doo sounds, it takes another 1 to 2 minutes to connect. Once you are already connected to the camera, the next thing to do is select where do you want to set up your CCTV. It may be in your living room, front door, bedrooms, corridor, garage, and so on. So in our case, we want to set up our CCTV in our garage area. So here are the testing camera and the garage camera. I recorded this during night time, so that is the quality of the camera during night. Don't worry guys, I also recorded a daytime quality of the CCTV. Just keep watching so you can see the quality and the difference of the camera. So here are the quality of the CCTV camera during daytime. So as you can see guys, the quality of the camera is very clear, even in the night or in a day. To be honest with you guys, this camera only records when you put a memory card in it. So when you don't put a memory card in the camera or in the CCTV, there will be no records. You won't see any playback in your mobile phone. So in this part guys, I'm gonna teach you again how to share a mobile phone in your CCTV. So the CCTV can connect 2 phones, 3 phones, up to 4 phones maximum. So if you want to share it with your family, they need to install the Yossi app as well. After they install it, just open the app and then add the plus sign. Click the scan QR code upper right and scan the QR code from the owner. And then that's it. You're already connected to the CCTV camera and you already share it with your friends. Same process, same procedure, very easy and budget friendly. So if you want to ask me if this is super sulit, guys, yes, this is super sulit for us. So I don't know about your opinion, but for us, this is sulit for the price, guys. So thank you for watching and God bless.
Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button below so you will be updated in my upcoming videos.